Welcome to Calicut, also known as Kozhikode, a coastal city where Arab, Malabar and Kerala traditions have created one of India's richest food cultures. Begin with the legendary Kozhikodan Biryani, prepared with fragrant kaima rice, aromatic spices, tender meat and the subtle flavours that make Malabar biryani world-famous. For an authentic experience, visit Paragon Restaurant, one of Calicut's most celebrated destinations for Kozhikodan Biryani. Fresh Kallummakkaya Ularthiyathu, or Malabar mussels roast, combines tender mussels with roasted coconut, curry leaves, black pepper and aromatic Kerala spices. Taste authentic. Kallummakkaya Ularthiyathu at Hotel Saga for a true Malabar seafood experience. Soft, delicate pathiri paired with rich Malabar chicken curry creates one of Calicut's most comforting traditional meals. Enjoy this classic combination at Ramath Hotel, a favourite among locals for authentic Malabar flavours. Often called the Malabar lasagna, Chatti Pathiri layers thin pancakes with spiced chicken, eggs, nuts and fragrant spices before baking. One of the best places to try Chatti Pathiri is Paragon Restaurant, where this festive delicacy is beautifully prepared. Sweet Unnakkaya is made by stuffing ripe mashed bananas with coconut, nuts and raisins before frying until beautifully golden. Visit M Grill or traditional Malabar bakeries to enjoy freshly prepared Unnakkaya. Erachi Chor is a rich Malabar rice dish where fragrant rice is layered with spicy meat masala and slow-cooked to perfection. For authentic Erachi Chor, visit Hotel Saga, known for its traditional Malabar recipes. No Malabar food journey is complete without Sulaimani, the light black tea infused with lemon, mint and aromatic spices. Enjoy authentic Sulaimani at Paragon Restaurant or traditional tea shops across Calicut. Colourful Kozhikodan Halwa is famous for its chewy texture, glossy finish and rich flavours made from wheat, ghee, sugar and nuts. The iconic Sankaran bakery is one of the best places to buy authentic Kozhikodan Halwa. Freshly fried Kerala banana chips are made from raw Nendran bananas and lightly seasoned for the perfect crunchy snack. Visit Mambali's Bakery for some of Calicut's finest freshly made Kerala banana chips. Finish your food journey with Elaneer Pudding, a creamy, tender coconut dessert loved for its refreshing tropical flavour. One of the best places to enjoy Elaneer Pudding is Paragon Restaurant, where it remains a customer favourite. From the legendary Kozhikodan Biryani to the refreshing Elaneer Pudding, Calicut offers a remarkable journey through the flavours of Malabar. Which dish would you try first? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more authentic food guides from destinations around the world.